Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Nails by Sora. Hope you're all doing well. I am using my very new canvas lamp, which I can raise and lower and pull closer and push further away. And it swivels on many different axes. Let's stick with axi. Today's a day full of new things, and now I need to get this reset up the way I had it. But yeah, so lots of new things. I'm very excited. I got a new dresser or a new set of drawers. It's a dupe of the Alex drawers from IKEA. You'll see them either in a prior video or the next video. I'm not exactly sure. If you hear a lot of drilling in the background, that's workers who have are working on the apartment below me, installing, I believe, a ceiling fan. They're supposed to be coming up to my apartment today too. I left work early at 9 o'clock this morning. If you ask, how did you leave work at 9 o'clock this morning? Don't you usually get to work at 9 o'clock in the morning? No, I got to work at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I left at 9 to be here for my cats. And the workers haven't shown up yet. So I've just been sitting here all day. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. I have a mini haul. Valentino has rebranded to V Beauty Pure, and they were having a vault sale. So I took the opportunity to try out their brand, and I got 2 sets. Now, I do have 2 other colors from them, and I think I actually got the same one I already have. Yeah. So now I've got 2 of 134, which is fine because I absolutely love this shade. It's actually this one right here, the green flex. It's green foils with a clear acrylic powder. So I will swatch that one anyway. Even though you probably, if you follow me, you've seen it in other videos so far. In fact, it's also in this set of green nails that I did for the first video posting in August. So if that hasn't posted yet, look for it. If it has posted, I will put it in the cards right here. But I'm going to, oh, and I also got a bottle of monomer because I'm running very low on my, what brand is it? Young Nails monomer. I'm not going to bother opening it up though because the other one is open, so we will save that for when Young Nails runs out. And we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to put my mask on because the monomer is starting to smell as it does. And I'm not going to swatch on swatch sticks. I'm just going to swatch on my paper towel. If I can get this open. Right. So these don't have names, they just have numbers. So I will say the number when I swatch them, and I will leave all the information in the description box below. All right, should we go in rainbow order? Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. No red. Okay, so that is a beautiful orange. Ignore any sparkles or specks that might be, let me zoom out a bit or lift this a little bit because it's focusing on my brush. Yeah, so ignore any sparkles or flecks that may be in the swatch because my monomer is dirty. I need to switch it out, but this is $2.19. Moving on to the yellow. All right, so now I'm going in to do the yellow. I'm actually going to stir it up a bit because it looks like some of the clear is settling on top. So I want to make sure that all the color comes through. That is 218. Moving on to 221. So all these colors seem to be pretty pastel-y, which I really love. I have been wanting to do another marble nail with acrylic. The last one I did, and that's phone call too, that's interrupted me. Anyway, now I'm on to the blue. I think I was saying, I think these are all gonna be pretty pastel colors, which I absolutely love. I wanted to do another acrylic marble set. The last one I did was on just some extensions, and I was thinking about doing one that I'd actually wear. So yeah, look forward to that. It may be coming up soon. I'm not quite sure. See, the problem is I put down all of these ideas in an Excel sheet, and then for one reason or another, they get pushed and moved around. So I may say that, you know, this is what I want to do next, so look for it. And then it's like 3 months later and I haven't done it yet. But these are really pretty colors. And I almost want to do another rainbow set, maybe another rainbow French. I haven't done acrylic French, at least not on myself. It's something that I'm not 100% comfortable with yet. So I've been kind of steering clear from it. But we'll see, maybe soon. This is going to be the last color in this set. It's very pretty Barbie pink, which is apropos as Barbie opens up this weekend as of my recording this video. So those, oh, and this was, I don't think I said the purple. Purple's 220 and the pink is 223. I'm going to move those aside and move on to the next set. So these also don't have names, just numbers. I wonder, I'll look it up online, see if maybe they have names on the website. I don't know why they would have names in one place and not the other, but you never know. You never know. Why does this look like it's just clear? Well, these both look like they're clear. All right, this is 135. Oh, that's really pretty. Um, 138. You know what I should do? I should do an ombre set. Ombre, the solid with the glitter, or the, what are the flakes? This is the one that I already have, so I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to use the one that's open. I can tell I'm going to love this color. I can tell. Someone on Blue Nails. Oh, look at this. How am I spilling my monomer? Blue Rose Nail Group mentioned, I did this one already. Mentioned, shit. All right, I need to do a little cleanup, hold on. All right, someone on Blue Rose Nail Group mentioned that they had colors in gel from then Valentino, and that they were named Skittles. And that's what this makes me think of. It makes me think of Skittles. Okay, let's see what this is, 139. By the way, the others were 133 and 132 respectively. Okay, so this is like an iridescent. Like a holographic iridescent. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Why do I sound evil? I would squee if that was something that I did. Okay, so this is similar, but instead of having chunky glitter, it's just flakes, but also iridescent. So this one has more blue tones with a little bit of red, and this is more like a purple blue. And this one is 136, and this one is 137. All right, more flakes, no glitters, but this one has like a green purple shift. So those are all the colors. Let me get this lid back in and I'll zoom in. All right, so those are our colors. I have not used Valentino V Beauty Pure in manicures. I've just swatched with it, but they are very easy to work with. I haven't had any problems whatsoever, and I can tell that they're very easy to lay on and will probably be one of the easiest manicures that I create. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love these colors. I will go ahead and put all the information in the description box below. You don't need a certification or any special requirements to be able to purchase from V Beauty Pure. They're open to everybody, and as I said, their products seem to be really wonderful. This is a non-sponsored, it's not really a review, it's an unboxing. But I absolutely love these colors, and I look forward to using them in an upcoming manicure, whenever that is. If you have any comments or questions, please put them down in the comments section below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.